Hello web world, this is Rob at Kelly Sport. Here is a brand new pre-owned boat we just got in. It's actually a 2024 model, didn't mean to confuse you. It's a 2024 30-foot 10 wide twin engine Bennington, all fiberglass. New to us is we literally just got it in today. This is a pre-owned boat. This particular boat is QX, so it's all fiberglass. Super cool look, has an arch on it. Has the tune guard already to protect us around the docks. I'm gonna back this up, sorry. Arch, white motors, Yamaha, 300 horse. Again, it's the 10 wide. This is a Fastback model, meaning that, well, I'll just jump in here. Oh, they don't crash. We have speakers in the back. We have ski pylons in front of each motor. And here's the living room, man. I mean, this thing is 10 foot wide. It's huge, 30 foot long. Fastback seating. You have cup holders back here. Cup holders in the armrest. Just a big, wide, great riding boat. Again, it's a twin engine, has all the latest and greatest screens, joystick, Bluetooth, Rockford Fosgate, radio, phone chargers, wireless, raised helm, in-floor storage. Great big seats in the front here, the layout. I mean, this thing is a big, massive boat. A lot of room to get off port and starboard. Anyway, I am gonna turn around here. Here's the layout. Again, if you have more questions or want to come drive this bad boy, give us a call. 573-348-3888. Rob at Kelly Sport, thank you.